Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is about celebrating your ancestors' special events or celebrating your ancestors. So once you sign into Familysearch, this is kind of the home page. You have recommended tasks, recent people that you've viewed, new pictures that have been uploaded to Familysearch, and then up here is little activities you can do, such as your relatives who fought in the War of 1812, celebrating your ancestors, which we will be talking about here in a minute, or you ever wonder where you got your looks from. So comparing your face to your ancestors' faces. So let's go back. We are actually going to click on this celebrate your ancestors' special events and say, let's see their calendar. And it should bring you up here to the calendar page. So if this is not here on the homepage, which may happen, they like to change what happens here on the homepage, the activities here on the homepage, you can come up here to the web address and say familysearch.org/campaign/calendar. And now it's brought you here to the same page. That's the only two ways I know how to get here to the calendar page here on Familysearch. If you know another way of how to get here, please comment below. I'd love to learn and know. But for right now, those are the only two ways I know how to get to this calendar page. So right here up at the top, it's pretty much telling you what this is all about. This is celebrate the lives of your ancestors. Discover details of your family story through the key moments of their lives. Then over here is, hey, get Facebook reminders. So pretty much you would get a message like this that says, May 3rd was your fourth great grandpa's birthday. He would have been 145 years old today, or on May 3rd. And you would just get messages like that. So if you hit get reminders, it's going to pull up the Facebook pop-up saying continue with so-and-so, and then you should follow the steps, and you should get reminders or messages saying, hey, it's so-and-so's birthday. So now we have a calendar view. So we have January 1st, so we have January. And the first day of January it says somebody was born, and then on the 4th, we have a couple of events. Looks like 3 right now. We have this guy who died, this person who died. This person was born on January 4th. Let's scroll down. This person died on January 5th. These guys were married on January 11th, so you get reminders like that saying, hey, these people got married, these people died this day or born this day. You can also see where they died. So this guy here died in Salt Lake in 1938 in Salt Lake. Then we can view your relationships. So in case you don't remember who they were on your family tree, you could go view relationship. And that brings this pop-up, and of course you are at the bottom. Then you just click and drag, and it will go up the family tree and show you how you're related to them. We have February now, and if we just keep going and scrolling through, it will go through the whole entire calendar of the year. January, February, March, April, May, pretty much. So this is just a fun little section here on Familysearch to get to know your ancestors. So you can know when they were born, when they died, and where they were born, when and where they got married, and help you learn when important events happened in your family tree. And then you can get little Facebook reminders throughout the year of, hey, this is what happened today on your family tree. I think this is kind of cool and fascinating because I don't always remember when my great-grandparents' birthdays were, or my great-great-grandparents. And now I can have those little Facebook reminders and be like, oh, today's a little special day for my family. Was a very important day in my family history. And then have that cute little reminder throughout the day of how important today was for somebody on my family tree. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you guys will now know important events that happened in your ancestors' lives. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you have any suggestions on what else I should film, please also comment below, and I hope you all have a beautiful week. Bye!